So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 lessons I've learned from hiring developers in Ukraine and in India and actually many other countries. So why should you even listen to me? My name's Rob Rawson, I'm from Time Doctor, and I've recruited and managed developers all over the world, over 20 countries actually. And for over 10 years, I've been hiring offshore developers. So I have also over 2,800 companies that use our software to manage their offshore developers. So what can offshoring do for your profits? One of our clients says that their business increased by over 1,000% in 3 years, really as a result of using an offshore team and offshore developers. So lesson number 1, set very high standards. Often when you're going offshore, you're looking at a cheap price, which is okay to a degree because the cost is going to be lower than in Silicon Valley, for example. But if you're only looking for a cheap price, you're going to get bad results. You're going to be tearing your hair out. You also need to look for very, very high quality people. Lesson number 2, a multi-step evaluation process. You want to put people through a really good evaluation that actually tests their real-world coding ability. So what that means is, first of all, a simple test that evaluates and actually weeds out a few people. Then you want to put them through a more difficult test. And then you have a code pairing interview at the end. So you want to have a multi-step process where you're really making sure that this person can code effectively. So the next lesson is to recruit from everywhere. Why would you want to actually just go from the Philippines or from India from a simple office? Because then you're restricting yourself to one city. If you hire from the entire planet, you've got 7 billion people to recruit from, and that greatly increases your chances of success. Lesson number 4, evaluate candidates to find the right gem. You've got to evaluate hundreds of candidates, not just 1 or 2. Usually you need to post in multiple places, get hundreds through the door, because there are a lot of very average offshore developers and you have to weed through them to find the one gem. Lesson number 5, hire multiple people for the same position. Some people will not work out even though they went through that evaluation process and they seemed great. They may get another job offer, they may not like your company, or they might get distracted. There's all sorts of reasons why they don't work out, and you need to hire multiple people to increase your chances that you find someone great. Lesson number 6, track productivity and watch for a drop in their performance. So this is where our software comes in. You want to make sure that they're not working 2 jobs, they're not getting paid by you but working half their time for someone else. So you want to make sure that they're effective and productive in their work. You also want to track multiple metrics of their success so that you can really keep track of if they are productive, if they are producing code, is it good quality code, are they continuing to be productive, because sometimes the first month can be productive and then they start to drop off. So those are my tips for success. I hope it really helps you to grow your business and hire offshore developers, because it can be an amazing boost to your business if you can find great people offshore to do coding for your business. Thank you and all the best.